Evening fellow YouTubers, RC Heli Guy here. So I'm out today with the M1evo and the m2evo. Just recently got the new canopy for the m2evo from Micro Heli, but I use Midland Helicopters UK to purchase this product with the yellow tail fin on the back, rotor blade. Yeah, just out having a quick hover with both of them. Just to get a bit of flight in really. So yeah, just gonna have a quick hover and a quick little fly around. I've got my partner with me today, so hopefully she can sort of keep up. I'm not the greatest flyer by any means, but yeah, if you want to see me flying the M2, please subscribe to my channel, RC Heli Guy. Thank you. Nippy little thing, isn't it? I can't believe people can see them that far away. And I've got good eyesight.
Have you?
Apparently. I feel I need glasses.
It's not too much of a breeze anymore. You trying to show off?
No, nowhere near. There's so many other guys out there that can do way more than I can do. I probably put most people to sleep, so I do apologise for that.
So how long have you been doing this?
Around about 3 months now. Loving it. Absolutely love it as a hobby. What, though?
Sorry that he's not very talkative. I want to say typical man, can't do more than one thing at once.
So we'll bring it in now for a little land. Hopefully I don't hit my M2. This is very risky for me to want to do this. And there we go. Thank you ever so much for watching. As I say, if you want to see the next video with the M2 Evo, please subscribe. RC Heli Guy out.